In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square to your Wix website. If you're using Wix for your site and Square for payments, linking them lets you accept credit and debit cards quickly and securely without extra coding. I'll walk you through the exact places to click, explain what you'll see, and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. This is the main control center for your site. If you manage more than one site in your Wix account, make sure you've selected the correct site from the site switcher so you're editing the right dashboard. Give the dashboard a moment to load. Some options appear only after the page fully loads. Next, head to Settings, then choose Accept Payments. The Accept Payments page is where Wix lists all the ways your store can take money, from credit cards to wallets. This is also the hub where you can see what's active, what's pending, and what other methods are available in your region. Look for the button or link that says Connect Payment Method. Click that, and from the list of providers, select Square. If you don't immediately see Square, it may be filtered by country or business type. Make sure your site's region supports Square and that you're viewing the full list of providers rather than a pre-selected recommendation. Now click Connect. A secure Square window will open asking you to sign into your Square account. Enter your Square credentials and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm permissions so Wix can process payments on your behalf. If your Square account has multiple business locations, Square may ask which one to use. Once you approve, the window will close and you'll be returned to Wix. Back on the Accept Payments page, you should see Square listed as connected or active. That status means Wix and Square are linked and ready to accept payments on your site's checkout. If the status shows pending, give it a moment or refresh. Sometimes it takes a short while for the connection to finalize. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure the business information in Wix matches the details in your Square account to prevent payout delays. If you encounter an error during sign-in, confirm that your Square account is enabled for card processing and that your country and currency are supported by both platforms. That's all there is to it. Open your Wix dashboard, go to Settings and Accept Payments, connect a payment method, choose Square, and sign in. Thanks for watching and happy selling.